Examine the following repeating infinite decimal and their fraction equivalents. What do you notice? Why do you think that what you observed is true? So in all of these, we have some that's supposed to erase. Erase. We have our repeating pattern, but all of them have end in 9. So what do you observe? What do you notice? The denominators all have 9s. Why do you think that what you observed is true? So in the process of finding this repeating decimal as a fraction, we used powers of 10s. So like 1,000 minus 10 would give us 990. Or 1,000 minus just an x by itself would give us 999. Or if we did 10,000 and we subtract 100, we would end up with 9s because all of them are powers of 10s and we're subtracting. So when you subtract powers of 10s, you are subtracting 1s from 10s, which gives you 9s. So in some way, we are ending up with these values.